Lahan that 7 numita thokkhiba thoudok aikoi konsha khul lumiramda anti amani yum saage haina sem sari ngai sida leilon khulnou khunja miyamna la aga yum sabe yaroi haina moibu thingba moibu disturb tauba anti bu harass taubiba adugi matangda clarification pige haina ai video se semjabani
Kamera kamu.
Aina thaze mi miyamna video du uramgani tasu taramgani aduda moina kamaina builder sing bu approach thokkhiba kamaina anti bu treat thokkhiba habdu. The video itself explains and is the evidence on how they approach the woman and the builders on the spot. Let me reiterate this for you. We will burn the JCB down, stop recording, we will kill you, and other curse words. Recently, I saw a video that was circulating online by a lady from leilon khulnou village. I would like to say that all the allegations that she made were baseless, and also all that she blabbered about was her opinion. Now, I would like to state the facts. I know haibagi about how it all started and the ground reality on this issue. Before COVID-19 came, we had already started leveling the ground on this area. COVID-19 lakringai mamangay sidagi akoi ground leveling se loi losilab neba. And due to the COVID, we had to take a break and stop the process for a while. So we did that right after the COVID. We started with the process again. However, it was disturbed due to the conflict that has been going on in Manipur, and that happened. And so now finally we plan to finish the work. We did start with the work, but we were stopped by leilon khulnou villages. Moina laaga aikoi bu yum saba yaroi haina disturb taweba. Aduda we asked them why. And they said that there is a bunker just below that land. Lamgi makha da bunker leya duna yum saba yaroi. Pukri taw ni ri taw yum law ni ri o du yum di saba yaroi haina moina hayaba. But it doesn't make sense, right? It is our land and we have the every right to do whatever we want in our land. Okay, ay wa mahage. Nangbu mi ama na laaga or stranger ama na laaga nang gilamda yum saba yaroi. Pukri tawo, farm tawo, adubu yum di sa saba yaroi hay na nangun hayra adi nang yagira. It doesn't make sense, right? Ay gilamdi, ay gihagni, ay natawning ba tawgani, ay na yum sagira, pukri tawgira, farm tawgira, ay natawning ba tawgani, natra?
Yung tawa tikpa sasawi laka lekaba tawdadi adreba irang lebi asu lebi adreba ko
nahal ipa na sulak laga angang sing na hairame bunker volunteer sing lebi di ko sok chinu hai na koi sok me du di ko do si to ya ba khra di khra den sengdo ninga ram di yum sagat kan na dum bo sing le
koi je na koi ji tha ja ba di chuwa le ne sing koi gi mete ga bugi gi lan se anina tha ja ba chuwa le aside di khare to piwa koi na hai ni ko lan loiba da wari ang pangan ni ko da sing di
lan loi ki dong en loi ra khang da ba
adu de asida na koi pan gani ko kari su chap su yaroi bangal sim su yaroi ko koi su wari yam le koi karak sida konsa da asum front line khak tak thabak se dum hon na basi ko koi gi damak di koi se pan la nu sini ma koi di mete ga pa ya na samne ba
kari taw
adana
kosa na kari taw legra
yes koi
ha
na koi se thaja ba wal le ba
taw legra
koi na tori ni ne
akoi area sin nang kana khada pra
thaja ningai le te ab ni ne
khada ngai le tri di yare ne
ate
kari su taw yaroi
police tom ningai di Metega nagagi irang lay te na ko. Khum yam lay na.
akoi na hai police ki hangde bi ate taw du bi ate ꯃꯌꯥꯝꯒꯤꯅꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯤꯁꯤꯅꯦ ꯑꯗꯨꯕꯨ ꯀꯨꯏꯈ꯭ꯔꯦ
ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖꯇꯨ ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣꯕ ꯃꯐꯝ ꯑꯇꯩ ꯂꯩꯇꯕ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯁꯤꯗ ꯀꯣꯂꯦꯖ ꯊꯝꯒꯦ ꯍꯥꯏꯕꯁꯦ ꯀꯔꯤꯅꯣ ꯆꯤꯡꯁꯤꯗ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯊꯝꯅꯤꯡꯕ ꯊꯝꯃꯨꯅꯤꯅꯦ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗꯨ ꯂꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯔꯣ ꯑꯪꯀꯜ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯂꯧ
ꯂꯧꯗꯣ
ꯑꯩꯒꯤ ꯏꯪꯈꯣꯜꯗ
ꯂꯧꯅ ꯉꯥꯏꯍꯥꯛ ꯂꯧ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯎꯕꯤꯔꯣ ꯀꯣ
ꯂꯧ
ꯂꯧꯅꯦ
ꯎꯒꯦ
ꯍꯥꯏꯔꯒꯗꯤ
ꯌꯨꯝ
ꯁꯤꯗ
ꯁꯥꯒꯦ
ꯀꯔꯤꯒꯤꯅꯣ ꯅꯣꯏꯅ ꯑꯦꯛꯇꯤꯚꯤꯇꯤ ꯑꯗꯨꯅꯤ ꯑꯗꯥꯅꯦ
ꯅꯪꯒꯤ ꯂꯧꯗ ꯅꯪ ꯂꯧ ꯎꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯌꯨꯝ ꯁꯥꯒꯦ ꯀꯨꯁꯤ ꯅꯪ ꯀꯨꯁꯤꯅꯦ
In the video, the lady also mentioned that the land belongs to leilon khulnou, which is absurd because that land belongs to Konsaku and that too has been acknowledged by the Kuki leaders. So I think you need to first go do your homework before you false claim anything. Yes, I totally agree that Auntie is currently living in Imphal, but that should not be a reason as to why she is not a resident of Keilungwiram. As we all know, Imphal is the capital of the state, and we all go there for some reasons. Maybe for work, business, for education, healthcare, and other purposes. She is a resident of Keilungwiram, and who are you to say she is not? And my question to you is, do you know every single citizen living in Konsakul and Lungwiram? If yes, think again. Because you failed to recognize a woman of the same place. And lastly but not the least, I would like to say that we have all the relevant documents that is pertaining to this case, and we would be more than happy to present it to you legally. And my humble request to you is, and to all of you is, please do not play with the Christianity gods. We should learn to tell the truth first. As we all know, action speaks louder than words.